Good evening, tutor and classmate. This is final activity of the course, the social science. Okay, I'm going to describe the lesson plan. The name of my topic is We Are All Unit Beings. The objective of this activity is identify the characteristics of the community to which it belongs, as a location, social, cultural, ethnic characteristics, etc. Recognize the conflict generated by not respecting ethnic, social, and cultural difference. It assumes competence with itself and its environment for the respect different social, ethnic, and cultural. Apply grammar structures correctly and consistently in present, past, and future. I'm going to talk about introduction. So, the lesson is I'm a 13 years old student, 6th grade in Bogota, from a private school. The skills to develop are writing, speaking, and listen. They go to work for the present simple future. In the area of the social science, the student through the activity will be recognized as a unit and valid being surrounded by an ethnic, cultural biodiversity that through the activity he will know to able to value and respect it. The students will work in groups of 4 people, and with this he will describe the ethnic cultural characteristics of his community and its surrounding location, climate, food, dance. Will rely on magazines and interview with close relatives, and will also investigate the consequence of no respect in the ethnic cultural difference, and will reflect on the exposed situation and a behavioral purpose to improve the coexistence between ethnic cultural difference that will expose the rest of the code. Development of the activity will be using the grammar structures purpose for the activity the teacher. In the process will solve the doubts that may arise in the development of activity. Okay, lesson description. Warning. For this part, the students and the teacher will do analyze of the meaning of the then vocabulary to work with the student using a video about the topic as support, development of online exercise on the previous view grammar used in the activity, the correction for this relation with the participation of students. Development activities. In this part, they are developing an analysis of online grammar and exercise, vocabulary analysis, which is analysis and writing of the characteristics of the subject, orientation of the teacher to the groups on the core work that are located, exhibition of collaboration work, contribution of a change that each group undertake to make for a better understanding between ethnic Assignment. In the assignment, there are three kinds of evaluation. Formative. It will be carried out after giving the explanation to the teacher with the purpose of knowing the level of learning of the students and making the feedback so the students can make the correction and note the mistakes. The evaluation will be done through multiple choice. In question maybe teacher will go. Summative evaluation. It will be done through the writing and present in class on ethnic, culture, and social diversity. Criteria. The activities will assess the attitude, responsibility, and when of teamwork and individual. The point will be in accordance with the rubric of evaluation and self-evaluation performance of each student. Conclusions. The developing of the lesson is made with the intention of reflecting on problems in our society that generate violence and discrimination in order to change the mentality of the new generations. Closing. The closing of the activity is a commitment of the student to know and value the ethnocultural environment that the surroundings. Thank you for your attention.